we will learn about how does computer work. The computer work on the basis of the input process output cycle. We will learn this topic with daily routine example. When your mother prepare a glass of banana shake for you, she follows the three main steps. Step 1, input. First, she put the peeled bananas, milk and sugar into the blender. Things you put into the system are called inputs. Then step 2, process. Next, she start the blender. The blender mixes the bananas, sugar and milk thoroughly. What you do the input is called process. Step 3, output. Finally, a delicious banana shake comes out of the blender ready for drinking. What you get in the end is called output. In the same way, we do any work in a computer. You have to follow these three simple steps: input, process and output. When you work on your PC, you give input as a data and instruction to PC with the help of keyboard or any other input devices. The CPU then process it and give you your desired output. This cycle is called IPO cycle. This is called IPO. In IPO cycle, I stand for input, P stand for process and O stand for output. How does computer work? A computer is a machine that receives and processes the data according to the instruction given to it, and after the data has been processed, the result of the processing are usually sent to an output device. For example, you give input as data 2 and 3 and as instruction add these numbers. Look, we will give input as data 2 and 3 and instruction add. The input devices for feeding the computer with data and instructions can be a keyboard and mouse. Then computer work on this input using the instruction. The processing of the data is done by the CPU, with central processing unit, which is the heart of the computer. The information we get after processing the input is called output. The output devices can be monitor, printer, speakers, etc. Look, we display our output as 2 plus 3 is equals to 5 on monitor. So this is input process output cycle is a IPO cycle. Today we have learned IPO cycle. If you want to get more information about this topic, you can see this YouTube link. I have give you some homework you will do in your note copy. Thank you.